If you learn to make this dancing clams dish today, you could set up a stall at the night market. In half a year, you might buy a car, a house, and get married, so save this recipe. For 8 UN, you get 2 pounds of clams. Add a spoon of salt and soak them in a bowl of water for 30 minutes. This helps the clams expel sand. Line the pot bottom with onion slices and the enoki mushrooms your wife loves. Arrange the soaked vermicelli neatly on top of the clams. I share cooking tips every day, so please give a thumbs up to support and encourage me. Thank you very much. Drizzle half a spoon of soy sauce, add a small bowl of water with the prepared garlic sauce, and cook on medium heat for 5 minutes, letting the clams perform a captivating ballet. This method makes the garlic clams rich in garlic aroma, and the vermicelli absorbs the broth well, making it very flavorful. If you like, give it a try.